Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, January 10, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, January 10, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng January 10, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, January 10, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 638 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 8.9 million pesos for January 10, 2024 Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Wednesday, January 10, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.